Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, that is the last layer of the wall that we got to go up. It should be just about 8 feet high. It's pretty straight, it's pretty plumb, so it's turning out pretty good. Once the wall's up, we're going to start standing up all these other walls. We got lumber up here. Let me show you all this. Mr. Mustache was nice enough to bring his tractor up, as you saw, and help us move some of this lumber up. That was cool. It was a lot of work to do it by hand, unloading it, so we would have had to move it by hand again. So he was nice enough to bring his tractor up here and help us move that, so that was cool. What else do we got going on? It's getting filled up tomorrow. It is today, Thursday. This is getting filled up tomorrow, Friday. We got 5.5 yards of a 3/8 slurry coming. I got a pump guy coming. So I got to finish this row, and I got to finish this corner over here. But it's all coming along good. And I need to get rebar cut. 8-foot chunks sliced up for that. So yeah, trucking away.
We got the wall built, so here it is. Went pretty smoothly. We're pretty stoked about it. Yeah, thanks for watching, tuning in to everything, and yeah, see you next time.